I have no one adore you. Pakinggan muna natin si Renz. I'm just a no one with nothing to give you.
Afternoon po.
Hello. Siya ang ating Star of Pangasinan first placer. We have to support her.
He can take you any place you want, to fancy clubs and restaurants. I can only watch you with my nose pressed up against the window pane. Oh, I love you. You like a diamonds, bright, sparkling diamonds. But believe me, dear, when I say that he can give you all, but he'll never love you the I love you. I love you.
Okay, good afternoon sa inyong lahat, to the viewers and candidates. So I think everybody is ready for now for the third screening of Mr. Pangasinan Online 2021. Okay? So lahat ba ay naririnig ako? Lahat ba naririnig? Okay, so out of 10 na scheduled for today, so 4 lang kayo ang nag-respond. Okay, so I don't know what happened with the other candidates. So this will be our last screening for December, and then it will be resumed on January. Okay, so good luck to the 4 of you, and right after this show, malalaman din ninyo if you are going to move for the weekly show. Okay? So sana lahat ng connections are maganda at walang putol-putol. So once I started calling your name, you have to start presenting. Okay? So dire-diretso na tayo dito, wala nang putol. Okay? So ang unang perform is Warren. Warren Jeff Taluban, 18 years old from Santa Barbara, Pangasinan.
Sorry.
Okay, Warren. Okay?
All my ladies, right to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. I don't need an introduction. Follow my step on instruction. Right to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. I don't need an introduction.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Warren Jeff Taluban, 18 years old, proudly representing my province of Santa Barbara. My advocacy is Save Mother Earth. We need to segregating our waste. Huwag tayo magtapon kung saan-saan. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources in landfill space. And volunteer for clean up in your community dahil yun ang pinakamagandang gawin natin para maisip ang Mother Earth. At tayo magtutulong-tulungan at magsama-sama na magtanim ng plants and trees because trees provides food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Thank you.
Okay, so ang advocacy mo?
Save Mother Earth po.
Okay, Save Mother Earth. Okay, so ang question ko sa'yo, is why you should pass the screening for Mr. Pangasinan Online 2021.
Come again po, sir.
Why you should pass the screening for Mr. Pangasinan Online 2021.
Okay. Ano po?
Tagalog?
Opo.
Tagalog, Ilocano can also.
Tagalog po.
Okay. So, bakit kinakailangang pumasa ka sa screening ng Mr. Pangasinan Online 2021? Bakit kailangan mong pumasa sa screening ng Mr. Pangasinan Online 2021?
Thank you for a wonderful question, sir. Kailangan ko pong pumasa sa Mr. Pangasinan dahil ibibigay ko po ang aking talento at aking makakaya. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo na ako ay karapat-dapat na makapasok sa Mr. Pangasinan at ako ay tatanghaling top model at ito po yung pangarap ko sa buhay na makapasok at makatuntun sa Mr. Pangasinan po, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Salamat, Warren. Okay. Next to perform is Chrysogonus de Vera, 24 years old, from Bayangbang, Pangasinan.
Hello sir, good afternoon po.
Yes, good afternoon.
I-prepare ko lang po yung song, sir. Hindi na muna pag magsasalita na.
I think I'm crazy. We're acting crazy. It's not perfect for cleaning. Just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? I'm just like doing you right. Watching any movies, probably anything tonight. I don't wanna keep you up close, but can you keep it up here? 'Cause I don't like to keep you up.
Good afternoon. My name is Chrysogonus de Vera, 24, from the municipality of Bayambang. As we all know, a lot of Pangasinenses lost their jobs because of this pandemic. And it's hard for us to transport from one place to another because of the restrictions implemented by our government. So I want to raise my advocacy, which is to help promote our local products and to help our Pangasinenses to get back into their jobs. Thank you.
Okay, Chrysogonus, this is your question. Okay, what is your purpose in life?
Thank you for that question, sir. I think my purpose in life is to give happiness to others. I know my existence is the benefit of the others. I can be an inspiration. I can be a good role model to each and everyone. I want to be an inspiration because I think that our existence isn't worthy if we are not able to touch the life of others. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Chrysogonus de Vera from Bayangbang. Okay, next to perform, Joshua. Joshua Jun de Guzman, 21 years old, from San Carlos City.
Good afternoon po. Joshua Jun de Guzman Castro, 21, from the city of San Carlos. Depression causes people to lose pleasure in life and can be serious enough to lead to suicide. my advocacy is about fighting against anxiety and depression, especially that we are suffering from COVID-19. This pandemic screwed up our whole living possessions. A lot of people became physically, emotionally, and at the same time mentally drained. I am advocating this because I want people to feel that they are not alone. They have me that offers support and comfort in battling this mental crisis.
Okay, Joshua, this is your question. Who is your inspiring woman in your life?
The inspiring woman in my life is, of course, my Lola. Because my Lola is always there by my side. She was the one who raised me since I was a baby. She was the one who is there whenever I needed someone else to talk to. And then my Lola is, let's say, andyan siya parate para alagaan ako kahit anong mangyari. And that would be all. Thank you po.
Thank you, Joshua. And then our last contestant is Gerald Manawis Mamaril, 21 years old, from Binmalay, Pangasinan. Gerald? Sound si Gerald. Wala siyang sounds. Gerald, wala kang sound.
Rainy, the Sigay Festival of the North, Municipality of Binmalay. And my advocacy is accessible information for all. We knew that during these times, we deserve an information that can be easily accessed, most especially to those people who are living in a remote area. And so I am joining this pageant for me to represent my platform that deserves by the citizen of Pangasinan.
Okay, Gerald, your question is, okay, what is your motto in life, Gerald? What is your motto in life?
My motto in life is as common as it is, like time is gold. We knew that um, that of course, from a lots of tragedies that we are facing right now, our life has its limit, and so we have to live our life fully. We have to do things we want, and of course, we must spend our time to things that might benefit us, like having together with our family and doing things that can contribute in your country.
Okay, thank you, Gerald. So, for the last time, I want you to have your modeling again, one by one. And then right after this, I will announce kung sino ang mga papasok sa screening. Okay? So, may I call on Warren again. Warren Jeff Taluban, 18 years old, Santa Barbara, Pangasinan. Model ka uli. Okay, next. Chrysogonus de Vera, 24, Bayangbang.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can start.
Sir, wait.
Saan na yung camera mo?
Sir, nagkaka-trouble lang sa connection saglit.
Okay, I'll go move to Joshua muna. Joshua June de Guzman, 21 San Carlos City.
Successfully.
Si Joshua.
Kaya ba?
Ayan. Okay, next, Gerald Manawis, 21 Binmalay.
Sir, okay na po ako.
Sandali Sandali lang
Yung mo kasi dapat yung isang nasa.
Nilagay ko na sa marami.
Okay, thank you. Next, Chrysogonos, ikaw na.
I think I'm crazy. The way I've been craving. If I put it for playing, just give me the baby. So what you're doing tonight? Don't just say doing it right. Watching movies, doing anything tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, you. But can you keep it up here? Cause I don't like to keep you up. So baby, I'ma keep you up.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sa inyong apat, salamat sa pagpe-perform.
Salamat po, sir.
Yeah, okay. Sana pag pumasa kayo, pakiayos nyo ang inyong mga performances, ang inyong connections, okay? Pati music nyo, hindi ko siya gusto. Actually, ang gulo-gulo. At tapos, kailangan niya ng mga i-improve nyo. Panuorin ninyo kung ano yung first batch ng Mr. Pangasinan yun. Medyo maganda-ganda ang iba doon. But anyway, before tayo mag-start ng screening, mag-start ng weekly show, lahat kayo i-brief ko ng maayos. Okay? Kasi so far, this is a screening, pero parang magulo, naguguluhan ako. Okay? So, medyo nahirapan ako sa batch na to. Itong batch na to nahirapan ako. So far, maganda yung pagkaka-perform ninyo. Chrysogonos, maganda ang yung camera, maliwanag siya. Yung sana pag nagpe-perform ka, medyo sabihan mo yung mga tao na walang dapat nakikita. Guys, remember, naka-record kayo. And after this, ipopost ko sa YouTube. So, please, i-avoid nyo yung mga unnecessary actions or guests na nandyan sa inyo, i-avoid nyo wag silang makita. Kasi later on, after our screening, nakapost na ito sa YouTube. So, pwede nyo nang panuorin. And then, you can check your difficulties, whatever difficulties you have. Okay? So sa inyong apat, maraming salamat sa pagbibigay ng time for this screening for today. And wish you all the best na sana makapasok kayong apat. Okay. Gerald, maganda rin maganda rin yung performance mo, maganda rin yung mo, kaya lang medyo nagpuputol-putol ka sa wifi mo. Same as Warren, maganda rin. Kaya lang medyo yung music, hindi ko siya masyadong marinig. And then kay, kanino ba? Kay Joshua, maganda rin siya actually. So ayusin nyo na lang kung anong difficulties sa performance nyo ngayong araw na ito. Kung pumasok kayo, ayusin nyo na lang. I-check nyo sa YouTube. Okay? So, for this day, lahat kayo pumasok sa screening. So, lahat kayo pumasok. Congratulations. And then, just wait for further announcement. At please lang pagdating na ng weekly show, wala nang late yan. On time na ako mag-i-start. So pag late ka, wala ka na. Sorry. So pagdating ng weekly show, dapat lahat doon, we should have to check our schedule and all of us should be professional. Okay? So magiging strict na tayo sa weekly show at saka may mga judges na akong kasama sa weekly show. Okay? So dapat maging mas maganda at ayusin ninyo ang inyong mga performances. Okay? So during the briefing, bago mag-start, umattend kayo para hindi kayo magmumukhang wala. Okay? So sa inyong apat, may mga sasabihin ba kayo?
Wala naman, sir.
Okay. So congratulations sa inyong apat. Pasok kayo sa screening and you will be moving forward for the weekly show and that will be March siguro kasi January, February ongoing pa yung aking screening. Marami pang nakapila. So magpahinga muna kayo, mag-ayos kayo. So maraming time para i-improve ang sarili ninyo. Kasi pagdating na ng weekly, as I've said, wala nang ano doon. Magtatanggalan na ako doon. Okay? So sa inyong apat, thank you very much for giving the time for this show. Okay? Magandang hapon and God bless you all. Bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.